It takes an enormous amount of energy to power our lives. In the United States, 28% of our energy consumption is from the transportation sector. 22% is consumed by the industrial sector, which makes the things we use, from steel manufacturing to food production. Businesses such as stores, malls, and offices use 4%, while our homes account for another 7%. And it takes 39% of the U.S. energy production to generate the amount of electricity we use every minute of every day. It's easy to forget that it takes energy to produce energy. Slightly more than 60% of our electricity is generated by coal or natural gas-powered plants. 19.5% comes from nuclear plants. And only about 14% of our electricity comes from sources such as wind, solar, hydroelectric, geothermal, and the burning of biomass fuels. There is a downward trend of total energy use per person. One reason for this decline can be summed up in one word: efficiency. The decrease is mostly due to reduced residential energy consumption. Beginning in the 1880s, incandescent electric light bulbs illuminated our world. By the mid-1980s, the compact fluorescent lamp, or CFL, hit the market. And 20 years later, the energy-saving LED light bulb was introduced. In addition, a variety of energy-efficient appliances have reduced the demand for electricity, which, in turn, reduces the consumption of fuels needed to generate that electricity. The fuel economy of passenger vehicles has improved more than 25% since 1980. Americans can now drive farther on each gallon of gas. Yes, it takes an enormous amount of energy to power our lives, and it will take ingenuity and innovation to preserve that way of life.